the grove. Today we will be installing this gate latch. It comes with an easy instruction and I will walk you through it. Come along and let's do this. This gate latch is from D&D Technologies and I bought it from Bunnings. I like this because it locks and operates from both sides of the gate. Let's see what's inside the packet. It has come with instruction set, the screw packet, the lock assembly, the latch plate, the striker, push rods, and the jig set. Let's install this gate latch. My current gate latch only operates from the inside, and I lock it in using a padlock. It looks like this from the outside and it has no lock and key. This is the latch and the latch plate assembly. Take note of the left or right handing. Determine where you want to position your gate latch. This is the external key assembly. Orientate the lock at the bottom of the assembly. Position hole over lock and snap into place. With a jig set and a pencil, mark drill hole location for the desired key lock height on front of the post using hole number 1 on the jig. Draw a line along the side of the jig. Reverse jig key and realign with line to mark hole number 1 on the back of the post. Use the safety glass before you start drilling and make it a fashion statement. Let's start drilling! Drill pallet holes using 4 mm drill bit. Use your index finger to support the drill and press with your middle finger. Drill pallet holes in front and at the back of the post. Redrill the pallet holes using 12 or 13 mm drill bit. Protect holes from rusting by applying zinc gum. Using Q-tips, apply a generous amount of zinc gum on the holes that you have drilled. Let it dry. Attach push rod to the lock cylinder tail. Ensure that the number markings are facing up. Insert the rod through the hole from the outside of the post. Mark the screw holes with a pencil. Pre-drill hole using a 4 mm drill bit. Attach the outer lock to the post using the screws provided. Place jig on the post over the rod. Mark where the front face of the jig sits on the rod. Then cut the rod where you have marked it. There should be a 5 mm overhang on the rod. Attach the washer at the back of the latch plate. Attach the latch plate in the inner side of the post using the screws provided. Position the latch into the latch plate and attach it to the post using the screws provided. It is now time to check if the keys are working at both sides. Now we attach the striker to the gate door. Ensure that it is aligned to the center of the latch. Mark screw holes with pencil. Drill holes and attach the striker using the screws provided. Make sure that you screw in the side of the striker as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time at the Grove.